Baymax Big Hero 6 Plushie. Okay, he talks?
Yeah, I think he talks.
Okay. It's actually a plushie. He talks. Look at my last toy for you. Okay.
Hey, what do you got there?
Baymax Big Hero 6 Plushie.
That's right. It's a Baymax Big Hero 6 plushie.
Okay, he talks?
Yeah, I think he talks. Oh, he's making a deflation sound.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
It's actually a plushie. He talks.
It's a talking plushie.
He talks and he button.
Yeah, say Merry Christmas, everybody.
Yeah.
Say welcome to our Merry Christmas edition.
Welcome to Merry Christmas edition.
Edition.
Yeah, okay.
What do you got there? We want to open it up now?
Yeah.
All right, let's open it up.
Okay, he talks.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, we got it all opened up.
Okay.
All right, we got it all opened up.
Okay, I'm gonna take.
Eli's new Baymax Big Hero 6 Disney made. This is by Bandai. Here you go. I think it talks.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your pain?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
It's right.
I will scan you now.
Nice.
Are you satisfied with your care?
Yeah.
Excuse me while I let out some air.
Bandai.
Tadashi is here.
Oh, Tatashi's actually dead in the fire.
Oh, that's right.
I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
He walks.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your pain?
You like it?
Yeah.
It's great. You got a new friend?
I will scan you now. Are you satisfied with your care?
Yeah.
Yep. He sure is.
Excuse me while I let out some air.
I guess it says the same 5 things. It's still awesome.
Tadashi is here.
Tatashi's actually in the house.
Oh, yeah.
That's actually a movie.
Yeah.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
Say hi.
Hi. Say hi, Eli.
1 to 10,
Hi.
how would you rate your pain?
Yeah.
Say hi to all your millions of adoring fans. Say hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Scan you now.
Yeah, it's getting now.
Are you satisfied with your care?
Yeah.
Hey, show everybody your toy. Turn it around so we can see it.
Excuse me while I let out some air.
Oh my goodness. Turn him around. Let's get him up close so everybody can see.
Tadashi is here.
Tadashi.
I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
So cool.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your pain?
0. Flying. I'm taking.
I will scan you now.
This is
Are you
nice
satisfied
plush.
with your care?
Okay.
Excuse me while I let out some air.
Yeah. That's actually a movie. I like it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You love that one?
Yeah.
That's great.
Is here.
Tadashi's here.
Hello, I am Baymax, your
Hi.
personal healthcare companion.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your pain?
It's right
I
out.
will scan you now. Are you satisfied with your care?
Oh yeah, you're a good care provider.
Excuse me while I let out some air.
Never been there. What
So-
Is here.
Dashi.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
Dashi's actually dead.
On a scale of 1 to
Yay!
Do you like it?
Yeah.
2 thumbs up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You can sleep the bed.
You gonna put him to bed now?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah, this is sleep the bed. You can wake it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, maybe we can put him to sleep up here next to T-Rex.
Yeah.
But maybe, oh wait. If we put him there, maybe T-Rex will bite him. Maybe he better hang out with Mario.
Yeah.
Mario might jump on him, maybe not. Oh, how about Happy Face? He's always happy. Oh, I have a better idea. Nice, now he can play the guitar.